Couple errands to run today. I need to run out to the bank and I need to drop off these two packages in the mailbox. A couple of eBay sales. It's 40 degrees outside, really windy, 19-mile-an-hour winds. So should be an interesting video today. I'm not going to be doing any dumpster diving, but I just wanted to do something a little different and just do like a short little video, get some cycling footage. I haven't had to ride into the wind yet. It just took me here as a tailwind. So it should be interesting riding back. Start from all the way back there. It's usually a pretty good amount of speed going on that hill. Fastest I've had this thing is 28 miles per hour. Going down a really steep hill. there in our landed cars, but these things are kind of cool. Yep, should be an interesting ride back. Those winds are crazy. It's probably 20-mile-an-hour sustained wind, but I bet the gusts are more than that, obviously. I'm hoping that other package will fit in here. It's a couple inches longer than the regional rate A box, which I know will fit in here. But I don't know about this one. I don't even know if I can get it out of my bag. Looks like it'll fit. Hope so. Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. It's 3:30 almost right now. This is so faded I can't really read it, but I think Monday through Friday is 4:30. This was maybe for the weekends. I'm not sure. So faded I can't read it. I usually try to be here before 4. I think the cutoff on the one that we rode past a couple of minutes ago is 3 p.m. And that one has a much smaller opening. Like, there's no way I could have gotten that box in there. That's it. That's it. I'm done. Went to the bank. Went to the mailbox. And I'm going to go back and take some more photos of stuff to list on eBay and do some more listing. right here. This is how you get right hooked. I'm just gonna let her go. Sometimes it's just best to just wait a second.